Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Rosana Nievera Cervantes. I am 38 years old. I live in San Francisco, Agusan del Sur, Philippines. I am married. I have 4 children, 2 male and 2 female, ages 19, 18, 16, and 15. I am high school graduate. I don't pursue my college because of financial problem. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. My work experience is in Kuwait, 2 years, 2017 to 2019, and United Arab Emirates, 4 years, 2021 to 2025, as a domestic helper. My main duties are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and sometimes I wash the car of my employer. I have experience in childcare and elderly. I don't have tattoo. I decide again to work abroad for the future of my family, to finance the studies of my children. I'm not afraid of dogs and cats. I love them. My only operation is cesarean for my youngest daughter 15 years ago. To my future employer, if you choose me, I promise I follow your rules and regulations. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and obedient. God bless and thank you.